Hi, Jacqueline Hornberg here. I'm very excited to introduce you to a new video series we have hosted by the producer relations team at the Beef Farmers of Ontario called Rural Ramble on the Road.
Dan Ferguson here. I hope this new format allows us to reach you with these sessions that we're planning. Like many of the articles that I write in our magazine and the conversations that we have at workshops and meetings throughout the year, we're going to be kind of looking into some of the challenges that our producers face. Our membership has really good skills and are knowledgeable about finding low-cost solutions. They use patience and perseverance to get a job done very quickly and efficiently. So we hope we enjoy these sessions. They look like fun, and we hope to see you soon.
Robert McKinnon here. Seeing what your neighbors are up to is always interesting. Whether it's a new handling facility, a new watering system, or a fencing trick, there's always ideas to bring back home to your own operation.
So we hope that you will join us as we hit the road to share the tips and tricks of beef farmers across Ontario in Rural Ramble on the Road.